Today I'm assembling a bezel that I made along using a stock head from Stuller. But at any rate, what I'm going to do here now is I have this bezel, put it in alcohol and boric acid. I'm going to throw it into the clamp. And then now I'm going to take 18 karat yellow gold easy solder. Some of this, get a little flux here, and now I'm going to solder this on here. I want to put some more flux on this because it doesn't seem to be flowing all the way through. So I'm going to warm this up. And it's a little crooked. Okay, I'll take a quick look at it here. Oh, that looks real good. Okay, so there's the first piece. Now I'm going to take the head here. Now this has already got a seat cut for the bail that I'm putting on. Yeah, it's still not the right place. Here we go, right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some 18 karat hard solder. I'll start with the bottom first. Okay, so put a little bit of solder there. I'm going to get a little bit more than the other, and I'll put it right on here. Now I'm going to grab the bail. Here. Get some solder, some flux, and here we go. So when I'm soldering this on, I'm trying to solder so the bail, so that the piece will sit level, flat when I put it down. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let me take a look here. Oh, it's a little crooked. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist it a little bit. And the tweezers are getting hot. Now let me get another pair of tweezers. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks very good. Now I'm going to come to the other side, and I'm going to put a jump ring there. So I'm going to get a small piece of solder. Put that on there. I'm going to grab my jump ring. Get some more flux. Let's see, what's the best way to do this? I'm going to come in like this. I'm going to turn it like this. I have a seat cut in the head. And you can see it went right in. So let's take a look at it here now. I'm going to pull this out. And we're going to take a look and see whether or not the bail and the jump ring line up to each other. And that looks really good. So now what I have to do is I'm going to take, see if this is cool enough to touch. It's pretty warm, but you learn how to touch things even though they're real hot. Let's hold on to it like this. I'll go like that. I'm going to put, I didn't open it far enough. Okay, so now I'm going to go like that. Now it's all ready to be soldered. Go like this. Going to get myself a piece of 18 yellow easy solder. And I'm going to solder this shut. And it's done. So that's the soldering job. We'll show you the finished product in the end. So anyway, it's hot, so I'm not going to even try to hold on to it yet, but it's all together.